Kumshibanta banpen kre yak jingya kun yak election MP Lok Sabha bat yak election MDC hakasngi hatmajai jongkatayo ginoyalam kaseng United Democratic Party UDP bat ka Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP kilayakando bat shemekarai banyatrailang hapo kakenhun Regional Democratic Alliance RDA.
Ha kini kejingalang kebelalong hapen kini ke artli keseng san pertai ya keseng UDP le lam do presiden uba Ahmed Baleng do kat bai keseng HSPDP le lam do ba KP pangyang kumu presiden ha kebelaidon lang kinong elam jo kini keseng ha bai keren beginong patai kubor uba Ahmed Baleng do ubulong chairman jong ka RDA ulong ba kejingalang kle keren ha kebaidai bat ki election MP Lok Sabha bat ki election MDC bat ki lashim mekarai banikun lang ha ki election MP bat MDC Ulang baga kenhuan RDA kan sekendo biang ban shemekarai helor kertong ban yamon lang na kepenta ban yakun ki election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Uba Ahmed Baleng do ulang baga RDA kam padekran AA helor ka kerteng jongki kertong. Nrion sawan ra ka kerteng ha por ka badai bat ken setai sani bah ka jingalang ka ban longshen. Uletho bala penrong syo iki dekhot ka kenhuan RDA na kaseng UDP bat HSPDP. Ban menta ke jingdon kinongket kam kalong khat sangot hapo ka kenhon RDA.
We have started the initiation of the discussion with regards to the MP election and the MDC election, where we have decided that we will be together fighting the upcoming MP election due next year and the MDC election also. So that's all as far as the decision is concerned.
Candidate
Did you discuss about the candidate today?
No, I think we will be sitting very shortly again, and we are trying to figure out the dates. But most members they have asked for a day or two that they will. So very soon we will be sitting again, and we would like to close also as far as the candidate of the RDA.
Have you finalized at least?
No. That stage has not come. So we are still in the process of consultations and other things, and where we have discussed, and the same will be discussed again in the next meeting.
How many ticket aspirant for MP
No,
candidate?
there's no ticket aspirants as far as RDA is concerned. We just only through consultative meetings, consultations with each and every stakeholders, which we felt they are part and parcel of the decision making as far as the candidate. So there we are, as far as RDA is concerned.
Do you have any name as a consensus
No,
candidate?
as of now we don't. No, I said just now that we have never discussed about any particular name as far as the RDA is concerned. We will come out with a name at the right timing, and which we will be taken up in the next meeting very soon.